It doesn't sound like you've been unnerved by relatively weak ISM today or some misses in housing and pending or new in the last couple of months. You still believe that the momentum we saw in Q3 is building into Q4? And do you see Q4 being positive in terms of GDP?
Yeah, I do, Carl. I think it'll be at least 5%. The ISM Manufacturing Index, the one I'm really focused on, and that was gangbusters a few days ago, as you know, including new orders, including employment. And actually, the inventory rebuilding is just beginning. I also see on the street, I don't follow it like I used to, but the profit estimates, the earnings estimates are being revised up. Maybe not every company, but generically, profit estimates are being revised up. That's great for the market and the economy. Household wealth is strong. And let's not forget, it's maybe underrated, but Federal Reserve is pumping money in. They're buying assets. The M2 money supply is up, I think, 24% year on year. That's very powerful stimulus with a zero interest rate. So, yeah, I think you'll not only be plus in Q4, Carl, I reckon it could come in at least 5%. I think this momentum is going to carry right through into 2021. And, hopefully we have pro-growth policies.
Larry, there are two dates that we have circled on the calendar now. December 14th, which is when President Trump has been fundraising for his reelection campaign until. That is when the electors will meet and vote. And then December 11th, which is when government funding runs out. You know how much the markets value certainty. What happens between now and the middle of December?
Well, look, we'll probably negotiate another continuing resolution. I don't want to commit the president right now because last night was a very late night. I was 4 a.m. I don't know if he got any sleep at all, but I'm certain we will have success in negotiating a continuing resolution.
Do you attach a stimulus to that resolution? Is that the plan now?
I won't say that, Kayla. I don't think we're there. We'll resume. I'll be talking to Secretary Mnuchin in just a little while after this interview. You're my first stop of the day. It was a very late night for this guy. I would just say I'd be in better shape to answer those questions later on. We will look at some of our key targets for the assistance package. As I said, PPP is one of them, and unemployment assistance another. There are also others. The Electoral College will go about its business, Kayla. I think by that time we will know. Ballots will be counted. We've been here before. It's not that unusual. Our system is geared to do this. And again, I'm still confident. I think the president is going to be reelected because I think he's in great shape in some of these remaining key states. In Pennsylvania, I don't want to speculate. I'm not the campaign guy, but Pennsylvania, we're up 700,000 votes. I know there's a lot of mail-in ballots, but they're not. A large fraction is going to go to President Trump, okay? Let's not forget that. That's the way that game's going to work.
We should note that both campaigns have held press calls this hour. Both campaigns expressed confidence in Pennsylvania. Yesterday, both campaigns said that their internal polling was showing them winning Pennsylvania. So we're not going to make any call until we actually have those numbers, Larry.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.